Hi, I'm Mary Kelley with Massey Toyota. We continue to receive great feedback from our customers because of our service department. We are consistently one of the highest in sales and service customer satisfaction ratings in North Carolina, the Southeast, and the nation. You'll receive a free multi-point inspection each time your vehicle is in the shop. Our refreshments include fresh fruit and hot coffee, as well as my favorite, green tea. Little ones can enjoy our playroom filled with toys, books, and a TV. It's a great spot for parents to access Massey Toyota's free Wi-Fi. If you need a loaner vehicle, just ask. If you need a ride to work, just ask. And a free exterior wash and vacuum, just ask. Massey Toyota is a family-run dealership located in Kinston. We've been giving this high-quality service for 80 years, since 1938, and that's what we call the Massey difference.